Welcome to this video where I will showcase how I used Google Antigravity to create an AI agent that makes project status updates. In enterprise project management, regular status updates are vital to maintain transparent communication with project sponsors, decision makers, and key stakeholders. However, while the value of the final report is highly strategic, the process of creating it remains intensely administrative, detail-heavy, and inefficient. Why agents? This status update workflow has resisted traditional software automation because it is fundamentally qualitative. LLM prompting has solved this problem partially through deep text comprehension. However, it is prone to hallucination, formatting drift, and a lack of depth. By utilizing an agentic architecture, we break this complex qualitative task into specialized autonomous roles that create a layered reasoning process that mirrors a real human consultant. So what does this agent look like? This agent is comprised of 3 sub-agents: a project analyst agent that extracts the raw data, a risk assessor agent that generates strategic impacts and mitigation metrics, and a report compiler agent that combines text into a final executive markdown report. To create this agent, I used Google Antigravity, so I vibe coded it in Google Antigravity and used tools like the Antigravity CLI, contextual agent skills, model context protocol integration, repository security, and credential protection. So I would like to demo how I used Antigravity to vibe code this, as well as a small showcase of the agent itself. So going into Antigravity, the first thing I did was to set up the coding environment, the development environment. So I added the Antigravity guide skills and the Google Developer Knowledge MCP server. Then it all started with a simple prompt where, in response to what I prompted it proposed an implementation plan, which we can see in the artifacts on the right. And looking through it, I gave it the green light. So it created this first iteration of the agent. Then over time, I added some additional features, such as an MCP server in the code, some skills, as well as a security measure through this git ignore file. I will show how the agent runs by using the ADK web UI. So here I already have it running for the video recording, and this is what it looks like. So here I have given it some tasks, task updates, and the agent generated this nice executive summary. We can see it in action, where if I go to the Antigravity IDE where I have the sample input, if I provide it with these tasks, we can see that the agent will run and step by step begin generating a status update report. And here we have it. So in response to the input that I gave it on different status update facts, it has generated this nice report with an executive summary, progress and accomplishments, and some risks and considerations. So this was how I used Google Antigravity to create this project status update agent. Thank you so much for watching this video. Thank you.